Hi there, my name is Megan and I teach the functional rehab programs here at Spine Chiropractic. And what we're going to work on today is using the lacrosse ball as a trigger point release for the glute muscles. So a lot of our runners and our dancers, they get a lot of tightness through that posterior chain. If that is you and you've noticed a lot of pain through there, please don't hesitate to come on in so we can find something that's specific for you. The way to do this is you're going to use that lacrosse ball. You're going to go ahead and lay onto your side, keeping that shoulder out of your neck, nice and stable through that shoulder joint. Core is strong. We're going to have hips stacked over top of each other. And then place the lacrosse ball right through that muscle tightness on your glutes. Feel free to kind of move around through there to find that tightness. We don't want to put it on bone. We want it specifically on muscle. And then once you find something that's kind of tight, that trigger point spot, hang out there, taking those deep diaphragmatic breaths. If you also want to intensify it a little bit, you can bend that right knee and you can do what we call a glute clamshell, bringing that knee in. That's going to really stretch that point that the lacrosse ball is at, and back down. When you work on this, hold it for about 30 seconds while you start to feel that muscle release. And then if you want to, you can move it around and find another spot. And there you have it. That is how you use the lacrosse ball as a trigger point for your glutes.